at x is equal to 1, the function f of x is equal to x power 3 minus 1, where 1 less than x less than infinity, that is x is greater than 1, and x minus 1, that is for a minus infinity less than x less than or equals to 1, that is x less than or equals to 1. We need to check whether this function is continuous or differentiable at x is equal to 1. Let's find the limit. The limit extends to 1 plus f of x, which is equal to limit extends to 1 plus f of x, we can consider x power 3 minus 1, so which is equal to 1 power 3 minus 1, which is 0. It similarly limit extends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 1 minus x minus 1. Below on the function is x minus 1, so we can write, so that's 1 minus 1, which is 0. And also we can observe that the functional value, that is f of 1 is equal to, so f of 1 means for x less than or equals to 1, we can consider x minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore we can conclude, therefore limit extends to 1 plus f of x and equals to limit extends to 1 minus f of x equals to f of functional value f of 1, and hence therefore f is continuous, f is continuous at x is equal to 1. Now let us check the differentiability. Let us find f dash of x at x is equal to 1. For that left derivative, let's write the left derivative. Let left hand derivative at x is equal to 1, that is f dash of 1 minus, which is equal to, so the derivative of 1 minus is, that is x minus 1 derivative. So let us write here f dash of x is equal to x cube minus 1 derivative is 3x square for x is greater than 1, and the derivative of x minus 1 is 1 for x less than or equals to 1. So for f dash of 1 minus, that is equals to 1, and right hand derivative at x is equal to 1 implies f dash of 1 plus. So 1 plus means 3x square derivative we can take at x is equal to 1, so we can write 3 into 1 square, which is 3. So clearly we can observe that left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative. Therefore f is not differentiable. So the given function is continuous but not differentiable, so we can go with an option B is our answer.